Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, let's learn how to know if your Facebook account has been hacked or not. So first off, head over to your Facebook application itself, get logged into your account, then tap onto your profile. Here, tap on three bar icon, then expand settings and privacy, tap settings. Now in here, tap on account center. You're going to have to see where you are logged in or in which devices you are logged in. So for that, you're going to have to tap on password and security. Now here under security checks, select where you're logged in. Now you will see various devices. I'm going to search for my Facebook right here. If you see any of the devices that you do not recognize, you're going to have to tap on select devices to log out. For example, this right here, then tap on log out. And once you have logged out from all that devices, you're going to have to simply change your password. So tap on change password and make sure that you type in your password correctly for the old password section. And confirm your action, and that will change your password. And this is how you know if your account has been hacked or not. Thank you for watching.